It's so annoying to set up. Callum, do you know if there's any way to like mod in the cheats like into the game so I don't have to keep like entering the
No.
cheat codes? Or are you fucking
No.
the mold, the mold right now? You gotta at least try it, dude. Come on.
No. I'm modding a better game right now. I'm modding a game that's far more worthy of attention than this game.
You know Randall from Barnyard was your mind's gone, woman.
I am now adding Snotrod's voice clips to streams.juk and I'm going to go.
Yeah.
Watch the setup.
Voice clips are easily going to be the worst part of adding characters,
Yeah.
like by far. Because once you learn everything, it's not hard. It's just the voice clip adding is tedious and time consuming as hell.
It's like tractor tipping.
It's tractor tipping, but more fun.
Somehow.
I'd rather, I'd rather, I think I'd rather add voice clips to